Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Meer token from Qitmeer network. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Meer token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed on a big central exchange called MEXC Global, and the exact listing time here is June 13th, 13 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get the Meer token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MEER, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yeah, the Meer token, June 13th, 13 hours UTC time. Now, this is actually, it looks like it's on their own blockchain. So technically it is a coin and not a token. And you can see their Meer scan at evm.meerscan.io. So that is their block explorer that you could check out there. Now, they have a Twitter here as well, at Qitmeer Network. They have the blue check mark, 1,409 tweets, 62,300 followers on Twitter, so it's a very well-established project. They also have a Telegram, which has 26,568 members on the Telegram. So, Qitmeer Network is their Telegram. You can check that out. So, Qitmeer is a public blockchain based on the Meer DAG consensus, aiming to provide comprehensive solutions for distributed applications and organizations. It's dedicated to serving the ecosystem of Islamic finance and ethical finance. So, in a nutshell, that's what it is. Now, you can find on their pinned tweet that they're excited that they're getting this MEXC Global announcement, and there is details in a Medium article that you could check out. So it says, since its inception, we've been committed to promoting the globalization of Qitmeer. We have established overseas communities and geek communities in multiple countries, accumulating a high level of popularity and a large number of users. We have gained recognition from increasing numbers of international marketing investors, and finally today we have achieved a significant milestone. So they're talking about the MEXC Global listing, and then they go over when MEXC Global was founded in 2018, go over all that. So since last year, we have been dedicated to promoting the global presence of Qitmeer. We have established overseas communities. In the turbulent global financial market, Qitmeer is actively promoting its global development. Listing on MEXC not only signifies substantial progress, but also represents Qitmeer's acceptance and visibility in the international market reaching a new level. In addition, Qitmeer is making balanced and comprehensive projects in other aspects of the public chain ecosystem, such as introduction of the council governance mechanism. So this project has a DAO, basically, where you can get involved with voting rights. So they say in the future, they're going to expand their presence even more, with even more exchanges. So you can check out some more Medium articles. They have one called A Theory on Ecological Evolution. from blockchain to DAG. They talk about that. Just a whole bunch of monthly reports. They have all those on there. Now, if you want to find all the info, though, you can head over to Qitmeer.io. Over there, you can find information about the DAO. So they have a governance section, grant supply. They have a community section where they talk about their ambassador program, news articles, activity, staking records, so you can stake this coin, earthquake relief, so it looks like they give to charity. They could change the language on here. You can explore the QNG. There's technical documents, there's a library, and there is a roadmap on here as well. So at the if you scroll down to the very bottom of their page, they have all their socials, Medium articles, GitHub, Discord, Twitter, Telegram. They have their address of where they are here. High performance public blockchain powered by the Meer DAG consensus. So they have a faucet, recruiting section, grants, news, DAO, library, download nodes. They have a link to their Meer scan, Meer pool, F2 pool, hash pool, a wallet, and verification, legal, privacy, all sorts of stuff on here. So their roadmap starts with phase 1 here, the Mecha era, where it says blockchain, ideological awakening, and philosophical enlightenment stage. Wow. Establishing the ideal of building a clean worldwide worldview with blockchain technology. Establish the development direction of a product traceability, authentication, and mobile payment. And just be aware that this is most likely translated too, so the grammar is slightly off. Release the HLC token using consortium blockchain. So it looks like they have another token called the HLC token within the ecosystem. So maybe you've heard of that token before. So then establish strategic decision of abandoning consortium blockchain and transforming to public blockchain. Reconstructed the network architecture and established the blockchain technology root of POW plus UTXO plus block DAG. Create a 2-coin game economic architecture. Release the Qitmeer test network. And they have a next phase on here, and then it just says mature network, prosperous ecosystem, and then underneath that they have a link where you could subscribe to a newsletter to get updates about how the roadmap's going, what they're trying to do, things like that. So if you want to check out the DAO section there, if you want to check out their full developer document section and all the docs about how the blockchain works and all that type of stuff, you can check it all out at Qitmeer.io. But you can find this coin newly listed on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Qitmeer? Now, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.